When you're submitting an application for spousal sponsorship, the onus is on the applicant to prove the genuine nature of the relationship. Hi, I'm Shalina Pirani, family class expert and owner of Pirani Immigration, and here are some of the top mistakes that I see when applicants prepare the application on their own. Number 5 is when couples submit a marriage license instead of a marriage certificate. You're required to register your marriage in the jurisdiction that it took place and provide your official marriage certificate to IRCC with your application. Number 4 is not providing enough evidentiary support of your relationship in addition to your marriage certificate. A spousal sponsorship requires much more than a marriage certificate. You're required to provide proof of joint financial assets, financial support between you two, proof of your visitations, etc. Number 3 is actually a really big one. When couples are selecting photos to prove that their relationship is genuine, sometimes I see couples submitting photos that don't really showcase them in the most positive light. It's better to avoid a lot of selfies where you're wearing the same outfits. It's better to provide a variety of different photos that showcase you guys as a happy and loving couple throughout your relationship, not just submitting 20 photos from one day. Number 2 is actually one that's really dangerous, and that's submitting documents that are irrelevant to your application. Sometimes I see people that want to submit every possible thing that they can find, but when the documents are irrelevant, the officer still has to look through them and process them and take them into consideration when making a decision on your application. So it's very important that everything that you submit is in support of your application. And when you don't understand what you're submitting and how it might hurt you, it's better that you seek help from an authorized representative. The number 1 mistake that I see is not utilizing all the tools that are available to you to prove the genuine nature of your relationship. There are a variety of different types of documents that you can submit in support of your relationship to IRCC, and it's very important that you understand that the officer doesn't know you, so you need to submit all the objective and subjective evidence that you can of your relationship. In addition to not utilizing all the tools that are available to you, in some cases, some couples have circumstances that do require explanations, like if there's an age difference, or you don't speak a common language, or other things involved in your relationship, like for some time maybe you were separated and then you got back together. There are some complexities as each relationship is unique. And sometimes some of those things do need to be explained in detail and properly in order to satisfy an officer's concerns that it is a genuine marriage and not a marriage of convenience. If you're starting the process to sponsor your spouse or your partner, whether they're abroad or inside Canada, we'd love to help you. Contact us today for a free family class assessment.